Welcome to the channel. If you'd like to connect your Canva website to your Hostinger domain, I've got you covered. Let's jump in. So the first thing you want to do is configure your domain in Canva. So navigate to Canva's editor and click on Publish Website. Select the Use My Existing Domain and enter your Hostinger domain name with the www prefix before your domain name. Click Continue to proceed to the next phase. You then need to access your Hostinger control panel and open the DNS zone editor. You now need to add the DNS records provided by Canva. This is typically an A record pointing to Canva's IP address, which will be the following, and any required CNAME records. You can then save the changes and allow up to 72 hours for the DNS propagation. Return to Canva and click on Continue after completing your DNS setup within Hostinger. Wait for the domain verification email from Canva and then finalize the process by clicking Publish to launch your website on your custom Hostinger domain.